Hey guys, today we are gonna be doing another slime video from my last one that I did. This is a continuance of it. So yeah, so someone wanted me to make a video making slime, so that will be happening soon. Not like maybe in a couple days or weeks, but soon enough when I get to it. So this is my satisfying slime. I know this isn't a plate, it's a platter. At least I can stretch it out far. So it's a pearly pink. There's 4 walls in here to make it that crunch. So, as I said in my last video, I'm going to be doing another one on Friday. This is really good slime. I love it. There's going to be another one, not about slime, okay? Not about slime anymore. It's going to be, about my Barbie house. So that's the Barbie room. That's their couch, dining room, bathroom, kitchen. That's all my Barbies. That's some Barbie stuff right there. So yeah. So that's their entire house. And there's gonna be another one about American Girls. So yeah. So actually the person who is inspiring me to do the Barbie channel is my friend. She's not a YouTuber, but she's an awesome friend. You guys, she's the best. So yeah, subscribe and make sure to comment down below if you want to see, if you think I should keep making a continuance of this. Or if you guys want me to, subscribe. So in the comments down below, if you want to make a gotcha video, comment down, say gotcha video. Or if you want me to do slime video, comment down slime video. Or if you want me to do a Barbie video, comment down Barbie video. Or, I know it's ors all the time. Or if you want me to make a slime video. So when I see the percent, when I count all the people that want me to do it, then I'll do it. So yeah, subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell down below. Like it, please. I want to get 1,000 likes. 1,000k likes, please. But yeah, please subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This is going to be my last video of the slime. And last video of everything. Of satisfying. I'm sorry to my friend, but yeah. There's going to be a date for that. So there's going to be a day when I wrap it all up. And there'll be no more videos of the slime. Oh, and if you want to do a Roblox video, just comment down Roblox, okay? Hashtag Roblox rules. And subscribe to all the Gotcha Life YouTube channels and Azzyland and Dr. Squish. please. And Karina OMG. Karina and Ronald. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed your day and live. And I love you guys all so much. And join Roblox with me. My name is Leo Days 3. I normally play Bloxburg all the time. So, bye. And you guys might be on my channel, so good job. And we're ending this video in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Dun 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 dun.